Section, keep your eyes out.
2-1 Foxtrot, this is 2-1 Bravo. Send your message.
Send your message. Just say that 2-1 Alpha asked you to message.
2-1 Foxtrot, this is 2-1 Bravo. I've got 2 infills for your section. Please advise on where you would like them dropped. Over.
Alright. Where we are. Building 6.
Building 6, yeah?
Where was you thinking?
2-1 Charlie, send message.
I was going to say the back of building 8, where we were just clearing
Yeah.
a little
Send the 2-1 Alpha.
Yeah, you can do that, mate. Your shout.
I make an entry into the compound. We are currently cutting fence at this stage.
Just give them the
good reference.
good reference. They can see the 8 on the building, so let them know that as well. Just give them the reference and say behind building 8.
Enter target AO from the south.
Right, 2 section. We're going to push up and we're going to in the staggered. I'm going to go and clear these buildings at the top of the road. Wait, hold.
2-1 Bravo. Send your message.
Infill to be made behind building 8, grid reference 041078.
Right, drop in. Section set off.
We've got movement to the southwest. No identification. He's got a weapon.
2-1 Foxtrot, 2-1 Bravo. Negative on drop.
Yeah.
I will drop near building 5 to the far east of the village or town. I'll copy. Over.
No, tell him to hold. We're just in a patrol going up the road.
That all received.
No, tell him to hold. We're just in a patrol walking up the road. Inches. We've just seen a patrol walking up the road. You need to let him know. You need to tell him to stop.
2-1 Foxtrot.
No longer eyes on.
2-1 Foxtrot, this is 2-1 Bravo. I'm going to drop at building 5 on your map. Building 5. I don't want to drive too far into the town with vehicle. If you could get someone to pick them up. Over.
2-1 Foxtrot, 2-1 Bravo. Negative. Just had a patrol passing by on the MSR.
Okay, 2-1 Echo, this is 2-1 Delta, message over.
2-1 out, 2-1 Bravo breaking in. 2-1 Foxtrot, this is 2-1 Bravo. Did you say there's hostile contact on the MSR? Over.
Yes, that's you.
Yes, there's contact on the main MSR.
Tell him
Your last, I will try and go through the back of the grass in towards building 8 out.
Tell him we can push back and secure. Just tell him we can push back and secure if you liked.
2-1 Foxtrot, 2-1 Bravo, message.
2-1 Foxtrot, this is 2-1 Bravo. Send your message.
I can have the section push back to building 5 to clear for you if needed.
Negative, I'm pushing through. You can probably hear me pushing through the grass now to the back of building 8.
Good shooting there. What's he say? Right. Section, get down here and help these boys out. Right, where are these contacts?
They're bearing 295, but I don't know if it's on. West 295.
Right, lads, we're going to push up.
Eyes on.
Southeast as well.
Section, down here. Let's go. In the baseline, across this road, facing southwest.
2-1 Alpha, this is 2-1 Charlie, send message over.
Southeast as well. I'm going to close this gate.
Ballistics, there are 2 IC. Ballistics, 2 infills coming in from the east. Where do you want us to come?
Yeah, whereabouts are you?
This is 2-1 Delta.
2-1 Alpha, this is
Come
2-1
through.
Charlie, send message.
Fubsy, come through 7 between houses 7 and 8.
We are currently behind house
Charlie,
6.
send message.
We are to the northwest of house 6.
Right, okay, so go Go around the top end of house 6.
10 for 2-1 Alpha.
Head for south 8. Come round the back of house 8.
Just keep an eye that way.
Copy that. I have lost the other infill.
Oh, you're right, that's fine.
Comms issues. Repeat your last.
Moving now.
2-1
Moving
Charlie, send your
northwest,
message over.
up and round past building 6.
Right, section, we're going to push up the road past this building we've just cleared. In a baseline, let's go.
Fire team and Delta Fire team have now split and are now conversing around the compound.
Yeah, contact
clearing
down.
said compound.
What
We
shot?
currently have armour
On your
on site
six.
that is not manned, and we currently have an enemy heli on site
Can I have
that's
someone
also
shoot JDR,
not manned
please? He
at this
took a
time.
few rounds. He's not down, but he might be hurt.
Just my leg.
2-1
Right.
Charlie, this is.
Right, everyone
2-1
quiet.
Alpha, roger that.
Hello,
On
right.
section. The
Right,
students
lads.
within the compound.
I want everyone on me.
Was clearing and have stumbled across enemy.
Contact is down
assets
north.
such as
Right, everyone on me, let's go,
and
now.
helo.
Have we got a man down or not?
Progress out.
No, he said he's good.
Back to your
I
last
didn't see how
Charlie.
he were though, I only saw that he took
2-1 Charlie, this is 2-1.
Right, we're going to head
Hold on.
0.
4-3. You need
I can't see that number. What number's that? We're going up the road, boys. Way we was going. Let's go. Push now in the baseline. Yeah, baseline. Let's go.
Keep eyes right, that's when
Which way are we going?
Right, 2 boys behind us. Look where your team are going and follow. Get the staggered on the road now. Right, push to this building. Let's go. Move. We've been here too long. That's why they came.
Who's on my right?
I should not be at the back.
Slot in behind us. Whoever's on my right.
I'm just behind you, boss, but you are exposed on the other side.
Who's this here?
2-1 Alpha, this is 2-1 Charlie, same message.
Right. Right, baseline. All round defence on this building. Quick, while I can make a plan.
For 2-1 Alpha.
We currently have enemy armour on site. Clear for...
All round on this building.
Over.
I can't see no one behind the
Charlie,
building.
This is 2-1 Alpha. As
watch
long as
yourself.
there's no threat to any civilian infrastructure in the area or civilians.
Right.
given the
Any intel in that building?
No, there's
Back your
absolutely fuck
last.
all, mate.
2-1
Right,
Charlie
so-
out.
Right.
South time.
Contact heard.
Anyone got eyes on this contact?
Just over the front of the house.
01 Alpha is 2-1 Echo message.
For 2-1 Alpha.
What the fuck was that? Currently coming to contact, clearing building 11. We're going to get the baseline and push for building 10.
Go inside that house. Switch southwest 220.
Over.
2-1 Echo, this is 2-1 Alpha, roger that. New section, currently in building 11. What is the contact
I don't know how
like?
bad there is no bleeding.
Contact has been hit.
I'm not medic, but I'll check your injuries. No, I'm fine.
Alright lads, can I have a report on the contact? How many?
Eyes on one contact so far.
Watch for the Savvy in the house.
Right, we have 2-1 Alpha. We have one contact. Eyes on one contact at the moment. Over. Who's that up there?
2-1 Alpha, this is 2-1 Charlie, same message.
covering you.
This is
Oh,
2-1
thank you.
Alpha.
No problem, but
Appreciate that, Kyle.
2-1 Charlie, send your message over.
Alright, where's inches? I need inches. Can you get me inches, please? No, Kyle, stay here. Cover me.
245.
Stay there, ballistics.
Right, boys. Inches on me, please. Where are you?
Is this side?
Inches, right, I'm here. Right, you've seen what's down there. What they're shooting at. I need to make a plan to get to building 10,
Be careful, this is
9 and then 12.
Be careful, Civ bearing 243.
2-1 Delta, this is 2-1 Bravo message.
It's either go back down the road and start with 9, but I thought as we're up here we can go to that next one straight away, can't we? It's only a little shed anyway, isn't it?
Yeah, so we do baseline to building 10. Have 2 or 3 of us clear the building while the rest of us watch left and right of that building. Once that's clear, start pushing down slowly to building 9.
I'll stop you there. That's exactly what I was thinking, so let's get a baseline made.
Yeah. No worries.
Just wanted to make sure he was on the same level.
At this time, since we are getting contact from inside the base, once we get
Two section,
to a place where it's
baseline
not
on this
contact,
fence.
I'll give you a quick hands-on report.
2-1 Alpha, this is 2-1 Charlie, send message.
Oh, it's a greenhouse, we ain't got to clear that. Well,
Oh, fuck.
two section, we're going to push the building in front of us, 217, and we're going to clear it. 3, 2, 1, over the fence.
2-1 Delta, this is 2-1 Bravo, at your last.
Hold.
5.
Everyone over?
Charlie, this is 2-1 Alpha. Send your message over.
Yeah, for me all up.
Yeah.
Right, 2 blokes on the end, facing west. I want you facing west on the way down, keeping the cover. 2 blokes on the left of me, be Vinny and whoever's next to Vinny. I want you watching down that car park area.
Copy that.
Right, everyone push. The rest of us stack up on the building when we get there. The others just keep clear, keep watch. I want 3 people. The others keep watch. I want 3 people to go in and clear.
I'll go on.
Civilian 247.
Yeah,
2-1 Alpha, this is 2-1 Charlie, send message.
Just watch, mate, 'cause you're crossing.
Send for 2-1 Alpha.
One section has currently eliminated enemy armour at the front gate of said location. We are currently sweeping through the base at this time. I currently have break.
Right, you get in front of me.
Intel at this
Go and clear.
right, lad.
Right, push on to the corner. Push on to the corner of the building.
Civilians down.
Okay, that's not our
2-1
fault.
Charlie, this is 2-1 Alpha. Roger that. Enemy BTR is now neutralised. One section is now proceeding to the rest of the compound. Clearing it.
Get down from there.
Intel, retrieve it. Afterwards, we can get back to myself. Advise on next move.
Crash. 2-1 Bravo, this is 2-1 Charlie, send message. This is 2-1 Bravo, send your message. Is Barmon 1 currently online? We currently have enemy helo on our position at this time, harassing our location. Could do with some air support, over. At your last, I will shout Barmon 1, do you have a grid reference of your position, over.
Use 3. Get on that fence line and watch that way.
Yeah.
Kyle, take them with
currently
you.
on location 1076081. Enemy heli was last seen flying in a north direction. Scratch the last, each just crashed.
House clearers, I want you out the back when you're done. Yeah, good boys.
By Barmon 1.
Right, move. Right, that's been cleared. We need to check that shed.
Yeah, there's times for the enemy down that road
Right,
towards
okay.
southwest.
Right, boys,
We
lads.
can see them from this house.
Lads, we're going to push back up the garden to the back fence. In the baseline.
Up there.
Okay, let's go, move, baseline, come on. On the baseline on this back fence. I'll get shot at.
Yeah, that's them.
Right. Double time, what are you doing, lads? Let's go. In a crouch position. Right.
Keep looking.
As I said, there's about a squad-sized enemy on that bend in between 13 and 14.
Right, okay. Right, what I want to do then. We're going to go back round.
2-1 Bravo, 2-1 Foxtrot message over.
Inches, where are you?
Right behind you, mate.
Hold on. Let me put my map away. Here, right, look at the map, mate.
2-1 Bravo, 2-1 Echo message over.
Oh, that's me, hold on.
2-1 Alpha, this is 2-1 Charlie, send message.
2-1 Charlie, wait out.
2-1 Bravo, it's 2-1 Echo, send message.
2-1 Echo, this is 2-1 Bravo. Can you ask your 2IC for a radio check and a Kazam report when ready? Over.
On the far right.
A-firm.
That,
Right.
Can I get a read back on that?
2 inches, get your map out.
The EDR position, over.
Right, we're in contact between 12 and 13, yeah?
Yep.
So I'm thinking maybe
2-1 Bravo, this is 2-1 Charlie, 2-1 Foxtrot.
bug out round the back of 8 and 9.
2-1 Alpha,
8
last
and
known location of
7.
BDRM was currently
Yeah,
grid
cross the
ref,
road, back into the
tracking
wood
from
block,
07680
And
in a north
come in at,
westerly position along the dirt track up to 073084.
in that area there,
2-1
yeah?
Charlie.
2-1 Alpha.
Yep.
2-1.
Yeah, good plan.
This is 2-1 Alpha. Roger that.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, mate.
Right, okay, sweet.
Position.
Right, can
Wait
you...
out
Oh, your
in
radar don't
line
work, does it?
For EDA from Baron 1.
Right, section, listen up. We're going to push back round behind buildings 8 and 7. We're going to go round the back of 3 and 1. Get back in the tree block. And we're going to push from the X on the map to building 14. Everyone okay with that?
Copy that.
Yep.
Right.
Ballistic.
2-1 Bravo, this is active 2-1 Foxtrot message.
Right. But would it not be easier to go 16 then hit them
2-1
just because
Foxtrot,
we're in that
2-1
tree
Bravo
block?
from 2-1
That's
Bravo
a
message.
thought, mate.
Yeah, okay. I'll make my plan as I'm walking, mate.
I know, it's just I thought I'd say my
I'm taking
point of
over
view.
for now.
Yeah, that's all right. Thank you. Appreciate it.
As
Can you
soon
jump
as.
back in formation, please?
2-1 Foxtrot at your last. We'll wait out for Kazam over.
01 Alpha is 2-1 Echo message. Someone watch this bloke walking over to us. One person on that bloke.
Hello.
Injuries.
Inches, you watching him?
Green body, I've just got it.
Just keep an eye on him, right?
Injuries.
2 of you, yeah. Keep an eye on him. 01 Alpha is 2-1 Bro Echo message, please. Message, please.
Kyle,
Watch it, don't stay behind us.
do me a favour. Get the guy at the far west to keep an eye
Central
west as well.
2-1 Alpha. Because 0-1 Alpha is Ray. Over.
Oh, sorry. Apologies.
Kyle, stay behind us.
Yeah. GDR, come to me.
We have a section-sized team spotted on the corner between buildings 14 and 13. My plan is to go back past break
Yeah, copy that.
8 and 7,
Buildings 1
round
and
3 and 1 into the wood block to my purple X and proceed from there. Over.
Bryson.
A bit of a sitting target.
2-1 Echo. This is 2-1 Charlie.
Yeah, I don't feel
Section
good about
sites
the
and
rear.
spotted
There's a
around
lot of
building
iron on
13, 14. Your
I've said
section
that over
will
the radio,
proceed back around
Apologies for that.
the wood block and attack
Green,
south
green.
to north.
That's my
Happy with that plan. Proceed on. Out.
Over.
2-1 Echo, this is 2-1 Bravo message.
Inches.
Yeah, that's me.
Yep.
Ammo.
2-1 Echo, this is 2-1 Bravo message.
2-1 Bravo, send a message.
Yeah, all good, mate.
2-1 Echo, this is 2-1 Bravo. Be advised, Barrel 1-2 will be on station above you to provide air cover. Over.
A-firm. At last, A-firm. Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome, no problem. See you later. Thanks.
Fucking idiots. How are you doing, Griffiths?
Alright, mate.
Yeah?
Who's this?
Kyle, I'm gonna send Kazam.
Oh, what, an ammo? Yeah, I'm alright. I ain't shot a fucking bullet yet. Right,
I'm gonna send Kazam.
right, Fuzzby, you're on point as you're on that end. Single file, we're going to go round buildings 8 and 7.
2-1 Alpha, this is 2-1 Charlie, send message.
Cross the MSR, round buildings 3 and 1, back into the wood block. Once we get in the wood block, we're going to move to the purple X that I have marked on the map is 040077 and make a plan from there.
Copy that.
Everyone happy with that?
Happy.
Yeah, happy. Is that friendly, Hero?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry, lads. We have got.
Charlie. Sorry, 2-1 Bravo. This is 2-1.
We have Baron 1-1 Overwatch. Lads, let's move.
2-1 Charlie, this is 2-1 Bravo, send your message.
Point man, stepping off.